Hello, guys. Welcome back to English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. We're really happy you're here with us today because today's topic is very useful for anyone who wants to improve their English speaking.
Yes, today we are going to practice something very practical and very helpful. Daily English speaking practice with 10 real-life conversations.
Exactly, because the best way to learn English is not only by studying grammar or memorizing vocabulary. The best way is by practicing real conversations that people use every day.
Think about it. When you travel, go shopping, talk to a friend, or order food, you don't use complicated English. You use simple, natural sentences.
And that's exactly what we're going to practice today. 10 simple conversations that happen in real life.
So if you want to improve your daily English speaking, this episode is perfect for you.
And here's a small tip before we start. Don't just listen to the conversation. Try to repeat the sentences after us.
Yes, speaking out loud helps your brain learn faster and makes your English sound more natural.
All right, Sarah. Let's start with our first real-life conversation.
Imagine you meet someone in the morning at work or school. A very common conversation starts like this.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, it was relaxing. I spent some time with my family.
That sounds nice. Sometimes simple conversations like this help build friendly relationships.
Exactly. Small talk is very important in English-speaking cultures.
Now, let's move to our second conversation. Ordering coffee at a cafe.
Hi, can I get a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
A medium, please.
Would you like sugar or milk with that?
Yes, a little milk, please.
All right, your coffee will be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
Simple and natural. This is something you might say every day.
Now let's try conversation number 3, asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the nearest bank.
It's just down the street. Turn left at the traffic light.
Oh, I see it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Asking for help politely is a very important skill in English.
Let's move to conversation 4, talking with a friend.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
I've been great, just busy with work lately.
Same here. Life has been very busy.
We should meet sometime and catch up.
That's a great idea.
These conversations help keep friendships strong.
Now, let's practice conversation 5 at a restaurant.
Hello, I'd like to order, please.
Of course. What would you like?
I'll have the grilled chicken and a glass of water.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your order will be ready shortly.
This is a very common situation when traveling.
Now we have conversation 6, talking about your day.
How was your day today?
It was pretty good. I had a productive day at work.
That's great. Did you finish your project?
Yes, finally. It took a lot of effort.
Well done.
Talking about your day is a great way to practice speaking English.
Let's try conversation 7, shopping in a store.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Do you have it in a different color?
Yes, we have blue and black.
I'll take the black one.
Great choice.
Shopping conversations are very common when traveling.
Now let's move to conversation 8, making a plan with a friend.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I think so. Why?
I'm planning to watch a movie. Do you want to join?
That sounds fun. I'd love to come.
Great. Let's go Saturday evening.
Making plans in English becomes easier when you practice these simple phrases.
Let's go to conversation 9, talking on the phone.
Hello, this is Emily speaking.
Hi, Emily. This is Jack. Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I just wanted to ask about tomorrow's meeting.
Oh, yes. It starts at 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Thanks for letting me know.
Phone conversations are a great way to practice listening and speaking.
And finally, conversation 10, saying goodbye.
It was really nice talking to you today.
Same here. I enjoyed our conversation.
Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
And there you have it, 10 real-life conversations for daily English speaking practice.
The key to improving your English speaking is practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Try repeating these conversations every day. Over time, they will start feeling natural.
And remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It comes with consistent practice.
So keep speaking English every day, even if it's just a few minutes.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope these real-life conversations help you improve your daily English speaking.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode of English Talk.
Bye, everyone.